Welcome. Today we will review Asante with built-in camera smart garage door opener. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Let's talk about important features. Instantly view and control, open, close, your garage door from your smartphone. Unlimited cloud access with free app. Night vision infrared lights can be manually turned on and off. Easy installation and setup process. Receive email or SMS notification every time garage door is opened and closed with the optional sensor sold separately. A new Asante Smart Home app version is now available to improve your experience on our product. Buyer's rating by feature. Rated 4.0 for Wi-Fi signal. Rated 4.2 for tech support. Rated 5.0 for easy to install. 389 satisfied buyers. Overall 3.7 star rated. Let's see what buyers saying. We checked hundreds of reviews from buyers and considered few of important reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For complete review, please check the link in description. $321 happy users. Best-selling product in Amazon. Overall 3.7 star rated. 63% buyers has 0 complaints. Our verdict is buy but not highly recommended, due to few positive reviews. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.